I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add funds to your Coinbase debit card. We'll cover the straightforward process of topping up your card, ensuring you can spend your crypto or fiat currency with ease. Whether you prefer instant transfers or standard deposits, I'll guide you through each option. By the end, you'll feel confident managing your card's funding sources for everyday purchases and more. There are a few convenient ways to add funds. You can link your bank account for direct deposits, which typically take a few business days to clear. Another option is to use a debit card for instant purchases of cryptocurrency, which can then be used with your card. Finally, you can transfer existing cryptocurrency directly from your Coinbase wallet to your card's spending balance, offering great flexibility. Adding funds is a simple three-step process. First, open your Coinbase app and locate the Coinbase card section. Next, you'll see an option to add funds or manage funding sources. Tap on that. Finally, select your desired funding method, whether it's your linked bank account or a crypto balance. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. It's designed to be quick and intuitive. Before you finalize, keep a few key considerations in mind. Be aware of daily spending limits, which can be as high as $5,000, depending on your account verification level. Also, understand any associated fees for specific funding methods, as these can vary. Always double-check your transaction details before confirming to ensure accuracy. These tips help ensure a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.